Hi there friends. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a secret gem from the world of Ayurveda, Badi Dudhi, also known as Euphorbia hirta. This humble plant has been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. First things first, let's get familiar with Badi Dudhi. Commonly found in tropical regions, this plant is often known as the asthma plant. It's recognized for its incredible medicinal properties, especially in treating respiratory issues. Intrigued? Let's dive into the amazing benefits this plant has to offer. Badi Dudhi is truly special, and here's why. For respiratory health. It's fantastic for treating asthma, bronchitis, and cough. Imagine breathing easier with a simple natural remedy. As a digestive aid, it's been traditionally used to relieve diarrhea and dysentery. Say goodbye to tummy troubles. For skincare, have wounds, boils, or infections. This plant is your go-to healer. Boosts immunity. Packed with antioxidants, Badi Dudhi strengthens your immune system. Think of it as nature's shield. Supports lactation new mothers. Take note, it helps with milk secretion. Truly a blessing for nursing mums. Now, you're probably wondering how to use this powerhouse herb. Let me break it down for you. For respiratory relief, prepare a tea by boiling dried leaves in water. Sip and feel the magic. For skin treatments, crush fresh leaves and apply the paste to wounds or infections. Simple and effective. For digestive issues, extract juice from the fresh leaves and consume in small doses. Your stomach will thank you. For convenience, you can also find Badi Dudhi in powder form at Ayurvedic stores. Easy to use anytime, anywhere. But wait, while Badi Dudhi is incredible, it's important to use it wisely. Here are some precautions. Avoid excessive consumption. It could cause stomach irritation. Always consult an Ayurvedic expert before using it for any medical conditions. Pregnant women should definitely seek medical advice before using Badi Dudhi. So, there you have it. Badi Dudhi is a hidden gem in Ayurveda, offering natural healing for a variety of ailments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more herbal remedies. Stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, nature has all the answers we seek. Catch you in the next video.